How to do a wire transfer with Chase Online Banking. Step 1. Open chase.com, enter username and password, and complete any security verification if prompted, or open up the app. Step 2. Open Pay and Transfer. From the dashboard, click Pay and Transfer, select Wires and Global Transfers. If this is your first time wire transferring, you'll accept the terms and conditions, complete the enrollment process, and verify your identity if requested. Step 4. Choose domestic or international wire. Now, domestic wire is within the US, and international wire is if you're wiring money to another country in the world. Step 5. Add a recipient. Enter the recipient's full name, bank name, account number, and routing number for the US, or a SWIFT or an IBAN for if you're transferring internationally. Step 6. Enter the transfer details. Select the Chase account to send money from, enter the transfer amount, and then choose the transfer date if applicable. And then just review your wire transfer. Double check the recipient information, bank details, transfer amount, fees, and delivery date. Once you've done that, you can confirm and send. Enter the one-time verification code if requested, and then wait for the confirmation message. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.